simplify. So we have this problem here, we need to simplify it. So to simplify this problem, we need to apply the laws of indices. Now, this part here will apply this law that x power m over n is equals to power m. Then this denominator will apply this law that x power negative m over n is equals to 1 over x power m over n, which is the same as or is equals to the nth root of 1 over x power m. Now, let us see the solution of this. Solution. Now we have 3. Our n is 3. We are using now this law. So cube root of 27 power 2 divide 2 raised to 4 over, now the denominator, apply this law. Our n is 5, our x is 32, and our m is 3. So we'll have a fifth root of 1 over 32, then power m, which is 3. Now, the cube root of 27 is 3. So it will be 3 squared divide 2 raised to 4 over the fifth root of 1 over 32 is 1 over 2. So it will be 1 over 2 power 3. Now, 3 squared is 9 divided by 4 over a half cubic is 1 over 8. 1 over 8. I mean 2 raised to 4 is 16, not 4. Sorry for this, 16. The same as 9 divide 16 divided by 1 over 8, which is the same as 9 over 16. Get the reciprocal of 1 over 8, which is times 8 over 1. When you simplify this, we'll get 9 over 2, which is 4 and a half.